This is Farm Journal's Margie Fisher. I'm with Machinery Pete, and we're talking about the changing dynamics of the used equipment industry. Yeah, one of the messages you really talk about today's auction prices is it's not about age of equipment, it's about what quality the equipment is in.
Oh, no question. I've seen this come forward more this last year. We've seen more tractors in particular, and combines, but higher hour models, but very clean, always shedded, first owner. Yeah, the hours aren't as important. It's that quality, and that's the premium that's being paid out there. So we're seeing tractors 8, 10, 12,000 hours, but nice, selling for not one notch, but 2 or 3 notches higher than they were a year or two ago.
Wow.